Hey guys, Frugal BC here coming at you with another episode. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a very important investment strategy, buy and hold. Or, as I like to call it, don't touch it. Hey, as always, if you like the channel, hit the like and subscribe button, really helps us out a lot. Today, I want to talk to you about buy and hold. Now, I said in the intro that it's don't touch it, and it really is don't touch it. Leave it the beep alone. Like that little editing there. So the idea with buy and hold is that you're going to make continual buys of stocks, preferably index funds. You know how I feel about index funds. And you're going to buy those periodically and you're going to hold on to them. It's as simple as that sounds. But it's not as easy as it sounds because everybody wants to tweak. Everyone thinks that they can make better choices than the market, and guess what? Most likely you can't. Yeah, there are people like Warren Buffett and others, a few really Charlie Munger, a few really smart people that can time the market and pick specific stocks and win. And yeah, well, Derek Jeter can hit a 90-mile-an-hour fastball too, but you can't, and I can't. So why not take the optimal strategy of investing in index funds that are simple and leaving them alone? So here's some data, because I'm not just talking. This isn't just me talking. There's data behind this. There have been numerous studies. One of my favorite comes from Nobel Prize winner Daniel Kahneman, who found that over a 30-year period, when you looked at managed funds by professionals, by the way, versus an index, almost none of them, like 99.999%, did not beat a simple index. So if they can't and they're professionals, why would you? Just buy the index and ride the growth. It just makes more sense. I know a lot of people that might not be the most fun option. I know, like with stuff like the GameStop thing is really exciting and you might want to jump on that, and that's fine. You can do that. Just do it with a little tiny part of your portfolio. Even my Bitcoin, I've done some buying and selling speculatively on Bitcoin, but for the most part I just kind of leave it alone. And actually, that Bitcoin that I had bought and sold, I would have made more in the long run if I just held on to it. Sure, I made some great returns really fast, but those would be worth way more than they were when I sold it for. So now here's the problem with a lot of people. They end up selling on the bottom because they see the stocks tank, and I get it. It's a sucky feeling. It really sucks when you watch stocks just go in the tank. It's really hard to do, but you gotta hold on, because what people will do is they'll panic, they'll sell at the bottom, and then they're never quite sure when to get back in. That's the problem. You don't really know when it's going to go back up. So people will do this where they buy it and they hold on. They should be holding on to it, but they sell it, and at some point they buy back in, but they probably missed a lot of those gains. They hit the downswing. They took all the losses and kind of locked them in, but they didn't do that on the back end, because you're not sure when to get back in. It's not like it's stock market follows a pattern. You'll see it go down. At some point, it's going to go buck up, but you don't know. You might get a little dip and then it goes down more, or I should say a little rise and then it goes down more. The point is, you don't know. So the best optimal strategy is to buy and hold. Again, I am not a financial advisor. You should take this as advice that you can do more reading on to learn for yourself. You shouldn't just take my advice. I highly recommend J.L. Collins' stock series. It's great. I'll leave a link in the description. I can't do one of the little cards for links yet until you have 11 bajillion subscribers, which I do not. But that's what I want to tell you today. Very important strategy. Let me know what you think. What do you do with stocks? Leave a comment below. Hit the like button if you like. I'd like you to do that. And I'd really love it if you hit the subscribe button so you can see more of this. Have any questions for me, leave them in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.